Oh my goodness. Guys, Cosmos Health, ticker symbol COSM, running a show today. Now, that's what it was. It was a show, okay? If you're in Cosmos Health, I am not. I'm going to say that right off the bat. If you're in Cosmos Health right now and ticker COSM is running for you, please do not get ahead of yourself and think that this is going to go to $1 million per share and so on. I want to discuss some of the reasons it's running up. I want to discuss some of the reasons that it may not continue to run up, but I wanted to just immediately, congratulations to anybody who is making money and is absolutely profiting off of Cosmos Health right now. Congratulations, let's discuss it. And hey, hats off to you. If I was wearing one, I'd tip it to you right now. Let's discuss it. And of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. And a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. And just know that Webull allowed you to buy Cosmos all day today. I know that Robinhood shut it down. Public shut it down. All of these other brokers wouldn't allow you to buy and sell Cosmos, but Webull did. So keep that in mind if you guys are looking to get into it, chasing it a little bit and so on. It is dangerous, but please be aware you got that out there. And if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there, so make sure to check those out as well. But guys, let's discuss this, because I said at the beginning it was putting on a show today. I have never seen anything move like Cosmos Health did today. COSM was wild. So let's set the stage a little bit, see what was going on, why it was moving the way that it was moving, and really talk about why this was an anomaly and not necessarily something you were going to see again in Cosmos or really in any other stock the way that Cosmos moved today. So Cosmos yesterday was trading around the 30-cent range, and everybody just, boom, rug pulled by the CEO after they announced that they would be doing a 25-for-1 reverse split. Stock losing roughly 50% of its value, 60% of its value. Cosmos was going down because where on earth did this 25-for-1 reverse split come from? No SEC filings, no press releases, nothing. So that's just one thing you want to look at right now. If you're still in Cosmos and you have not taken your profit yet, please do not begin to think that the CEO is your friend. The CEO is not your friend. I get all of this idea that's floating around that, well, you know what? He had to do it for the company. He had to do it because he's not allowed to tell you what... He's allowed to tell you his intentions. He's allowed to tell you what is going to go on. He's allowed to make press conferences and press releases and discuss the future of the company with the investors in that company. So please don't believe all of this nonsense that's going on out there, and don't begin to think that the CEO is your friend. Basically tried to rug pull investors by hitting them with a blindsided 25-for-1 reverse split, and the stock price was down. Cosmos this morning, pre-market, drops post-split to 23 cents per share, losing roughly 99% of its value. Cosmos, it was trading, right, at that 30-cent range. $8 would have been the break-even point, and this morning, it's sitting at 23 cents. 23 measly cents, losing 90+% of its value. This morning, it starts to bounce back a little bit pre-market. It opens the day around $2.50 per share, already a 10x increase from where it was in pre-market hours. But keep in mind, that is still a drastic decline, roughly 75% losses from where it was yesterday at that $8 mark. Now, these are split adjusted prices we're talking here. Steadily rising throughout the morning. rising throughout the day. This afternoon, it hits $8. It breaks even. And it runs. Cosmos Health runs up to $23 and I believe 70 cents per share. 100xing in less than a 24-hour period. From pre-market activity this morning to where Cosmos Health touched today, a 100x increase. Now, this is the stock market we are talking about. This isn't some cryptocurrency that was minted and went on some sort of a rug pull or honeypot scam. This is the stock market. So what is going on here? Please be aware of this if you are still in Cosmos Health. I know your guys' due diligence has been done. I've seen it. Okay, you had, please don't let anybody convince you that no shorts have covered whatsoever and things like that. Trust me when I tell you I've been around these short squeeze plays for a while now. 700+% interest in Cosmos Health. Incredible. Now, the retail run that happened today is even more incredible. Guys, everybody should have, could have, and probably would have given up on the play today, but you stayed in it. For some reason, you guys didn't set stop losses. Otherwise, they would have blown up during pre-market activity today. So we know there was some massive stop loss hunting going on in pre-market trading. We know that it opened down 75% today, and you guys did not sell. What did you do? And I say you because I was not in this play, right? That's why I'm tipping my hat to you as much as possible, congratulating you for absolutely putting on a massive show in what could have been the best one of 2022. You bought, and you bought, and you bought. Cosmos Health, if you guys have not seen ticker symbol COSM, go check it out right now. The volume today exceeding in a 25x fashion the average volume. Sitting at 117 million shares traded today. The float, my gosh, that's like 30 times the float. You're sitting here at a 4 million share average volume. Today was a once in a lifetime day. I don't know if the shorts are squeezing. I don't know what the narrative being spread in the Cosmos community is right now. But what I do know is that this, one, is not a typical day, and two, is not a typical play. If you are in Cosmos Health right now, after watching the decline that took place over the last couple of weeks, and that excitement and that run possibly being over, in the after hours trading today, beating the price of the stock back down, you do have a decision to make as to whether or not you are committed to watching it rise, and you are committed to the short squeeze theory, and you are committed to the fact that shorts will not get one over on you. And you saw what happened with Metamaterials preferred shares, and the fact that FINRA does not care at all about your account. They will blindside you Monday as fast as the sun rises. So please, just know that every single odd is stacked against you right now. And you guys have beaten those odds today in an incredible performance. Watching Cosmos Health, literally 100x in value from pre-market activity. Guys, this right here needs to be an indicator of what retail investors are capable of when the regulators are sleeping, when the regulators get caught off guard, when the regulators can't scramble fast enough to shut it down. Robinhood stopped trading for a while. I'm not on Robinhood, but I did see, based on social media activity, Robinhood stopped trading. I have seen the same way Public stop trading. Webull allowed you to trade. They tried their best to shut it down today. Do not think that they won't try again to shut down Cosmos Health on Monday, come next week. And if they don't, Tuesday will be another battle. I am telling you guys right now, retail, use this as a little glimmer of hope. Use this as a little just sliver of what is possible when you get together, when you believe in something, and when you absolutely give it what you've got. Guys, the banks are going to be coming after you. The hedge funds, they're going to be coming after you. The regulators, they're going to be coming after you. You are going to feel the fire, man, and the burn If you want to take your profit, man, tipping it to you right now. You guys killed it with possibly one of the best trades of 2022. If you were going to fight this thing out, know that it is not going to be easy. Know that you could see some further minutes. And don't come home crying, because it is your battle that you need to take place in. Insane gains. Retail, use it as motivation. Know that if you actually aren't suppressed, this is what can happen. If you actually aren't manipulated against, this is what can happen. Oh my goodness. I don't know how else to say it other than congratulations. I don't know how else to say it other than thank you for showing us what is actually possible when you take on these shorts, when you take on the institutions, and I mean, I guess, right? When you take on the liars and the cheaters that try to put their hand on top of your head and don't allow you to rise up. Thank you. And guys, what an inspiration. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know actually if you're in Cosmos. Down in the comments below, inspire us with some of the wild swings you guys had today. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We're here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.